नया IBM 7 हौसला है.
I was in an area which was less wide, that is manufacturing. Because in manufacturing you can predict what happens. Here you can't. When I sit there, I note that there is a continuous photography being taken, so we have to be alert every 10 seconds. So this is technology actually. When I came in politics, a photographer had to think 10 times before taking a photograph, because we had to develop it on a film. The film was costing, the time consuming. So now he just presses the shutter and allows the technology to do the rest. So he gets a photograph every 1 or 2 seconds and then selects the best or the worst, depending on where it has to be used. See, the IIT days don't go away that very easily. But I agree with Sangam that it is actually the MSMEs, small sector, which is the real power center for innovation and finding out new ways. And therefore, the Make in India, and let me differentiate between Make in India project and Make project. The Make project is selection of a project, selection of a identified sub-assemblies, final product or component which needs to be developed in India as an import substitute. So you list out product from various imported items and then decide that, okay, I'm going to develop this product to a reasonable indigenous standard or indigenization, and I'm going to make this in India, for which government is ready to support you. I think we should have some patience, and as I earlier said, the kind of complexities which has developed over last decade in defense procurement needs to be simplified. It's very easy to design something with fresh, but to modify old setup pattern which has created difficulties, it's more difficult. And we are on the job, we understand all these aspects. We also understand that MSME cannot have a withholding power which a big industrial house may have. Obviously, he develops a product, and if the developed product does not result into fruitful order, either he is totally disappointed and goes away from the development field of it, or collapses. I was having a talk with one retired bank employee who was part of this restructuring and non-performing asset. And a very important thing which he brought to my notice was that substantial quantum of non-performing assets were results of actually commercial non-performance and not technical non-performance from the MSME side. So they had performed well, but they could not manage a commercial contract, particularly if it is dealing with government or government-related agencies. And government-related agencies includes even a private government sector, defense PSUs, for example, or PSUs, which almost behaves like a government arm. Instead of taking advantage of the flexibility permitted under the Companies Act, they tend to look back towards the Defense Department. Of course, they can't be blamed for it. I think all this needs to be changed. And a change requires change in mindset. It's very important. How much you did, what you did, how much was successful is decided over a period of time. You can't make a success and overnight I can't say that I'm going to have a 30% or 20%. These are just assumed figures. Certain percentage of input from small and medium and micro. But if the thinking pattern changes, a lot of things change. You are seeing it for last 2-3 days. A simple action against insurgents has changed the mindset of the full security scenario in the country. I am not which can actually lead to ultimate success in any field you choose. Your own personal life also, if you change the mindset, you will realize that suddenly a lot of problem vanishes. Do it at home, practice it at home, and change it from your side. Don't wait others members of the family to change it for you. Change it from your side. Start taking every family challenge in a serious but well organized issue, and you will find your mindset itself solves half the problem. I think the change in mindset in government due to Modi's clarion call for Make in India, it doesn't become. A lot of people ask me how much FDI has flown in India because of Make in India or increasing of FDI. It's not FDI increase 26 to 49, which immediately is going to result into huge, massive investment. But it is a very important door to be kept open for investment to flow in. If you don't open this door and do everything internally, the external door of FDI cap will block the entry. So you have to open one door, you have to open another door. And most important, you have to open the door of the mindset. What is very important is change the overall mindset on security of the nation, and very important aspect of change in mindset of security of the nation is self-reliance. You cannot afford to be dependent on someone else for your weaponry or your armament. Logic is very simple. We are maintaining all this structure, defense structure, at a huge cost. Whichever country. Obviously, for eventuality and not for day-to-day use. So when you go for eventuality, you need to be more reliant on your own sources and not on imports, because for various reasons imports can get into a jam or stuck up. And that is one of the reasons the mindset of defense procurement has to change. My job is to change the mindset. The regulatory mechanisms will come in due course. We are on a fast track, that much I can promise you, but even the fast track requires some time. The time frame can be squeezed but cannot be eliminated, and therefore I request you to hold for some. As far as R&D is concerned, the IPP technology transfer, all aspects have been already addressed, and either interaction or a platform for small industry will be created the moment DPP is in force. At this moment, as far as the procurement is concerned, there are many issues in defense. We are focusing on the fresh DPP, which make in India all concepts well clarified, which I think should come in a reasonable time.
तो यहाँ पर आप सुन रहे हैं रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर को, जो कि एमएसएमई डिफेंस मीट पर बोल रहे हैं, जहाँ पे थोड़ी देर पहले उन्होंने मेक इन इंडिया का जिक्र किया और बताया कि किस तरह का बड़ा योगदान एमएसएमईज कर सकती हैं। इसके अलावा एक और बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण बात जो कि रक्षा मंत्री कहते हैं वो ये है कि किस तरीके से रक्षात्मक तरीके से मजबूत होने के लिए देश को आत्मनिर्भर होना होगा, जहाँ पे सेल्फ रिलायंस की बात करते हैं डिफेंस मिनिस्टर। साथ ही वो बताते हैं कि किस तरीके से दरवाजे ज़रूर खोल दिए गए हैं एफडीए के लिए, लेकिन ऐसे में रातों रात बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ बदलाव हो ये ज़रूरी नहीं, लेकिन दरवाजे खुले रखने की ज़रूरत है। धीरे धीरे बदलाव लाने की ज़रूरत है और इसके लिए ज़रूरी है कि हम अपने मन में बदलाव पहले लाएं और उसके बाद इस बदलाव के कदम पर आगे बढ़ें। किस तरीके से जो रक्षात्मक ढांचा है देश का उसे मजबूत किया जाए और हम आत्मनिर्भर हो सके, जहां तक डिफेंस की बात है और मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की बात है, इसी पर ब्यौरा देते हुए और इसका जिक्र करते हुए रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर इस डिफेंस मीट में। साथ ही में थोड़ी देर पहले रक्षा मंत्री मनोहर पर्रिकर ने यह भी कहा कि सेना की कार्रवाई को लेकर मनोबल बढ़ा है और जो महत्वपूर्ण बात जिस पर वो जोर दे रहे हैं वो ये है कि हमें अपनी मानसिकता में बदलाव लाना होगा और उसके बाद हम आगे बदलाव के रास्ते पर चल सकेंगे।